Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition unboxing that sold out super fast. It was only released yesterday. I was able to get it yesterday due to early access and it arrived today, but yeah, unfortunately sold out. It's from Cult Beauty and it's the Woman Made Makeup Edit and it's in collaboration with Hertility, a charity that helps support Black women's health initiative. It costs £40 and it has a value of £135. Yeah, let me know if you bought one. So yeah, let's see what's inside then. I love the design of the bag. See there. Oh, I'm gutted. I am gutted. I thought, I've been given two of the same items. I've been given two Chanticale, if I'm saying that right, mascaras, two little mini mascaras. I was thinking, they've added two in there, but no. I was supposed to have a Sai Dew blush. That. I was supposed to have one of those. But I've got two mascaras instead. I'd be happy if they added a different product in, if they have run out of the blush. But I've got two of exactly the same. Well, let's hope I really like it then. So this is a Longest Lash mascara in black. And it's 4 grams. There. It doesn't ring a bell, but I might have received it. I don't know, in a beauty box, in an advent calendar, I can't remember, or in a Cult Beauty box, I don't know. So we've got a Longest Lash mascara there, ×2. Got a Vive, I do love this. This is Skin Dew, it's a glow multitasker. And this is 20 mils. This is really, really pretty. Can you see? It just feels so, so nice. Really, really pretty. I've used it as a liquid highlighter, or you can apply it all over your face before putting foundation on top for that glow underneath, or you can apply it to your skin. Going out for the night, showing a bit of shoulder or something, you know, rubbing it into your chest. Yeah, it's a really, really pretty product. It's not overly shimmery or anything. It's just got a really nice dewy glow. Yeah, I really like this. Next up we got Pie, and this is the Impossible Glow Hyaluronic Bronzing Drops, and there's 30 mils here. So very similar product to the Vive Skin Dew. These drops can be applied to your skin before you apply foundation, or you can add it to a foundation or to your moisturizer, or you could apply like just with a brush and apply it in certain areas on your face. It is different. Can you tell the difference there? The Skin Dew is more like a highlighting glow, a bit more subtle. This one is definitely more bronzing. There, you can tell the difference, definitely. We got the Impossible Glow by Pie. Then we got Westman Artilia, and this is a blush in Nectar. Love the design, really pretty. I'm not sure if I've already got this one. The shade, that is. It looks familiar. Look. Sorry, I made a mistake. It's not a blush, it's a highlight. I don't think I have. I think I've got a blush and I've got a bronze and now I've got a highlight. See? I have a little bit on my arm there. Move my arm around. Can you see the glow? So now I want to compare this highlighter to the Skin Dew. The Skin Dew has a golden tone and can be used anywhere on the body. The highlighter is more opaly. It would have been really nice with a Sai blush. It's a liquid blush. So I got a highlighter, I've got a bronzer, I would have had the blush, and then I would have had a Skin Dew, which is like a all over sort of dewy, glowy balm that I can use on my face, body or anything. Those four all together would have been lovely. But anyway, I've got Hourglass. I love this brand. Oh my gosh, it's pricey, but I absolutely adore it. Oh, and it's upside down. This is the Ambient Lighting powder. And it is in diffused light. So when we ordered this box, we had a choice of Hourglass, the Veil translucent powder, or we had the Ambient, or we had this, the Ambient Lighting pressed powder. Now this isn't like your normal powder. Let's try a little bit on top. It's not a setting powder, it's a finishing powder. It makes your skin look amazing. It's got a very subtle glow to it as well. They do come in different shades, but obviously for this edit, we all had the same shades. The ambient lighting powders, I've got a few of them. I've got 2 palettes. I've got a darker and a lighter, and they've got 3 different shades of these powders. After I've done my makeup, set it, everything, I go with a big brush and I just go over like the sides. The skin just looks amazing. It just looks so nice. It does. It really flatters my skin, and it helps diffuse imperfections. And yeah, I love these. I love these, and the fact I got a little mini is always handy. So I'm happy with that. And then lastly, I got Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution Long Lasting Lipstick in shade Pillow Talk. This is a little teeny tiny one there, and that's the shade there. Really nice shade. Yeah, no complaints. So those are all the items in the Cult Beauty sold out, super fast, woman-made makeup edit. I'll just go through them all, giving you a recap of what I got. So I've got an Hourglass Ambient Lighting Diffuse Light Finishing Powder. Got Pie, The Impossible Glow Bronzing Drops. Got Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution Lipstick in shade Pillow Talk. Got Westman Atelier Light Up Highlight Stick in shade Nectar, Vive Skin Dew, a Glow Multitasker, and 2 Chanticale's Longish Last Mascaras. Gutted I was sent 2 mascaras instead of the Psy product, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Do you buy it yourself? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.